Tempers are running high here, Gareth. Short while ago, a person was been identified as an instigator in confrontation with the police. Excuse for the heavy breathing I am running, but the police arresting someone who was seen as an instigator. As you can see in the background, they are chasing away some of the protesters. The gentleman in the yellow and white the one stun grenades going off. Police again trying to get the crowd away. The stones thrown in the background as well, as tempers have run high. Earlier on, we know that there were calls for a peaceful protest, but things descended into chaos a short while ago. As you can see, this gentleman has been put with handcuffs. There is a bit of confrontation.
Andiyazi nami because ubhuti ufika wanditshala ngaphansi ukuwa ubhuti lona ufuna undibamba ndiyabaleka
Kuthiwa ubethe ipolisi
bethele police eliyi-1 bayaxoka that's why ndingabaleki. It's because of andiyazazi noba khange ndenze nento erongo eyi-1. Asoze ndibaleke.
Let's allow the gentleman to be apprehended. The police are saying that he attacked one of theirs during those confrontations. We did see some pushing around, admittedly, Gareth, in our own observation here on the ground. The police, he says, he's pleading his innocence. He says he's done nothing to the police, and he doesn't understand why he has been apprehended. But earlier, as we were in a section of near California Road, the protesters were divided. Some were saying that this was part of a peaceful protest and that they want nothing to do with going into shops to check whether or not foreign nationals or illegal foreign nationals to the country are still operating.